Okay. Sit into any comfortable posture, keeping your hands on the knee in Chin Mudra. Spine straight, hip relax. Elbows are gently bent, keeping your facial muscles relaxed. Slowly, slowly make your body comfortable. Relax. Keeping your facial muscles relaxed. Bring a gentle smile. Once your body is relaxed, focus on your breath. Deep inhale. Complete exhale. As you inhale, abdomen bulges out, and exhale, it comes in. Slowly, slowly make your breath deep. Make your breath longer. Keep ignoring the thoughts coming into your mind. Making your body, your mind completely relaxed. Now slowly join your hands into the Namaskara. We'll go with 3 Om chants. First inhale, and while exhaling chant Om. Breathe in. Gently rub your hands, cup on your face, your eyes. Give a gentle massage, open it and relax. Okay. We'll start with the warm-ups. Okay. Now first drop your right hand down, elbow, wrist and right hand down and left hand stretched up. Breathe in, सांस भरेंगे, inhale, stretch, exhale, down. Inhale, 2, exhale, down. Inhale, 3, exhale. Go with your breath. Inhale, stretch, exhale. Last up, inhale, stretch, stay here. यहाँ पे hold करेंगे 3 counts के लिए, and 1, 2 and 3. Release. Okay. Now change your side. Inhale, stretch, breathe in, सांस भरेंगे. Exhale, down. Inhale, out. Exhale. Inhale, 3. Exhale. Inhale, stretch, 4. Exhale. Inhale, up. Stay here for 3 counts. 1, keep stretching. 2 and 3. Release and relax. Okay, come back. Now extend your legs forward. Inhale, stretch your hands up and exhale, touch your toes. ठीक है? Inhale back 2, सांस भरते रहेंगे and सांस छोड़ते हुए bend forward. Go with your breath. Inhale 3, exhale, try to touch your abdomen to your thighs. Go with the lower back. Inhale up, सांस भरेंगे, exhale 4. Inhale up, stretch, lengthen up your spine, open and exhale down. Inhale up and release. Okay. Now fold one leg, सांस भरेंगे, bring it close, exhale down. Try to drop it down on the floor. Okay. Inhale up, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Breathe in and release. 4, up and down. 5. Okay. Change your side. Inhale, exhale down. 2. Inhale up, down, up and down. 2 more counts. Up, down, up and down. Okay. Now slowly come in Vajrasan. Interlock your fingers. Legs में हल्का सा gap रखेंगे. Okay. Inhale, coming up. Adjust your toes and heels. Exhale down. Inhale up. Make your back straight. Exhale down. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. One last. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay. And release. Now stand up on the mat. Okay. अब इंटरलॉक करेंगे फिंगर्स को. As you inhale, सांस भरते हुए stretch your arms up. Heels off the floor. Exhale down. Inhale up 2. Exhale. Inhale up 3. Exhale. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Last count. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Now interlock your fingers at the back. Inhale, सांस भरेंगे. Take your hands away from the hips. Stretch and exhale. Keeping your back straight. Stretch your hands. जितना ज़्यादा हाथों को खोल सकते हैं. Just stretch it. 5 counts के लिए hold करेंगे. Parallel to the ground and stay. 1. Chin, chest, hip. 1 line. 2. Look up, chin up. Yes. 3. Breathe in and out. 4. And 5. Slowly come back and release your hands. Okay. चलेंगे सूर्य नमस्कार practice 5 rounds. Top of the mat. अपने toes को, heels को एक line में parallel रखेंगे. Shoulder relax. Okay. Roll your shoulder up and back. Relax. Chin parallel, navel in, back straight. Okay. सांस भरेंगे. Breathe in. Exhale. Join your hands. Inhale. Stretch your hands back, hip forward. Exhale. सांस छोड़ते हुए bend forward. Inhale. Walk your right leg back. पहले right leg जाएगा, knee down, toe out. Okay. Left knee, ankle, one line. Now take the other leg back to the high plank. Exhale. Slowly drop your knee down, chest and chin down. Inhale. सांस भरते हुए scoop out to the Bhujang Asana. Toes out. Open your chest, shoulder. Exhale to the Parvat Asana. Slightly adjust your legs. Try to drop your heels down. Hip up. Okay. Inhale. Right leg को लेकर आएंगे आगे in between your hands. Back. toe out. Okay. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back. Exhale to the Namaskara. Left side, breathe in, stretch your hands back and exhale. Padhastasana. Press your hands, walk your left back. Okay, right knee, ankle, one line. Take the other leg back. High plank, full body, one line and exhale. Saans chhodte hue, knee down, chest in between your hands, chin down. Inhale, scoop out, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale to the Parvat Asana. Okay, inhale, bring your left leg forward. Okay. Left center में नहीं आती है तो you can take hand support, bring it in center, in between your hands. Now exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back, bicep ear together and relax. Okay. Second round. Breathe in, join your hands, exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, walk your right leg back. Hold to the high plank. Exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Inhale, walk your right leg back. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back to the Namaskara and release. Left side, breathe in, exhale. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, Padhastasana. Walk your left leg back. Hold to the high plank. Yes, make your body one line. Exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Bring your left leg forward. Exhale, other leg. Inhale, stretch to the Namaskara and release. Chalenge third round. Okay. Breathe in and out. Join your hands. Inhale, stretch your hands back. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, walk your right leg back. Hold high plank. Hip, chest, one line. Wrist, shoulder, one line. Exhale down. Knee, chest, chin. Inhale to the Bhujanga Asana. Exhale to the Parvat Asana. Press your heels, hip up. Inhale, walk your right leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back and exhale to the Namaskara. Okay, left side. Inhale, stretch your hands back. Exhale, Padhastasana. Walk left leg back. Hold to the high plank. Go slow, exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujanga Asana till your chest, toes out. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Raise hip up. Inhale, walk your left leg back. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back to the Namaskara and release. Other side, breathe in and out, join your hands. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, Padhastasana. Right back. Hold to the high plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Walk your right leg forward. Exhale, other leg. Inhale, stretch to the Namaskara and release. Left side, inhale, stretch your hands back. Exhale, Padhastasana. Walk your left leg back. Hold to the high plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down and inhale, scoop up. Exhale to the Parvat Asana. Bring your left forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch to the Namaskara and release. Okay. Breathe in and out, join your hands. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, Padhastasana. Walk your leg back, Ashwasanchara, left back. Hold to the high plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop out. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Press your heels. Inhale, walk right forward. Exhale to the Parvat Asana. Inhale, stretch to the Namaskara and release. Left side. Inhale, exhale, join your hands. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, Padhastasana. Walk your left leg back. Hold to the high plank. Exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Press your heels. Walk your left forward. Sorry, right. Left forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch to the Namaskara and release. Okay. Last round, we'll go with the variation. Okay. Breathe in and out. Join your hands. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, Padhastasana. From here, we'll go with the variation. Join your hands and squat your hip down and turn to the right side. Twist. Okay? Yes. Your left elbow going out to the right knee and stay for 5 counts. Try to squat your hip down and 1. Keep breathing. 2. Keep opening your chest and shoulder. 3. 4. And 5. Drop your hands down. Okay. Walk your right leg back. Hold to the high plank. Okay. Now, stay in high plank for 10 counts or go with the elbow plank. Whichever is comfortable, elbow or high plank. Engage your core muscles and 1. Keep breathing. 2. 4. 5. Keep going with your breath. 6. 7. Up, up, up. Yes. Yes. Up, up, up. 8. Head up. 9. The last count and 10. Nice. Okay. Squat your knee, chest, chin down. Breathe in. Scoop out. Bhujanga Asana. Toes out. Now take your hands at the back and inhale. Stretch and arch your back. Open your chest, shoulder. Keep arching your back. Breathe in. सांस जैसे भरेंगे. Try to lift up. 2. Nice. 3. 4. Up, 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 up. 5. And 6. Release. Okay. Keep your hands side. Breathe in and exhale to the Parvat Asana. Okay. Now in Parvat Asana, drop your elbows down and interlock your fingers. 6 counts. Hold the posture. Try to make your knees straight, legs straight and stay. 1. Keep your knees soft. 2. 4. 5. And 6. On your hands, हाथों पे आएंगे. Okay, slowly bring your right leg forward. Other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands to the Namaskara and release. Same variation, left side. Okay. Inhale, exhale, join your hands and inhale. Stretch your hands up. Exhale, Padhastasana. Now squat your hip down, turn to the left side. Right elbow going outside your left knee and squat your hip down and stay. 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5, keep opening your chest and release. Drop your hands down. Walk your left leg back, other leg back to the high plank. Hold for 10 counts, high plank or elbow plank, जैसे भी आपको comfortable लगता है. Make your body one line. Your wrist, shoulder, your hip, chest, one line and stay. 2, engage your core muscles. 3, slightly hip down, yes. 4, 5, keep breathing. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Nice. Drop your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, scoop up. Okay. Take your hands at the back, touch your thighs or hip muscles and keep lifting your upper body, lower body. अगर आप legs को lift कर रहे हो तो try to keep your legs straight, lifting from the knees and stay. 2, 4, breathe in and out. 5 and 6, release. Breathe in and exhale to the Parvatasana, mountain. Raise your hip up. Now drop your elbows down, interlock your fingers. Okay, and stay. Make your legs straight. आप legs को हल्का सा और पास लेकर आ सकते हो. If you want to make your posture a little more intense. And 1, stay. 2, raise your hip up. 3, 4, try to keep your legs straight, hip up, yes. Abdomen towards your thighs. 5, last count, and 6, come onto your hands. Okay, now bring your left leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch your hands back to the Namaskara and release. Release your hands. Now keep your legs away, hands away, close your eyes. And start relaxing your body. Dhire dhire, slowly, slowly we'll make the body relax. Observe your breath. If your breath is faster, make it slow. सांस छोड़ते हुए, just relax your body. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Make sure your eyes are softly closed, keeping your body loose, relaxed. Breathe in and exhale and slowly open your eyes. Okay, relax. All good? ठीक है. Now we'll start with the आसन practice. ठीक है. Turn to this side. Turn your face. प्रसारित पाद उत्तान आसन. Open your legs. ठीक है. हल्का सा मीडियम स्टैंड में जाएंगे. टोज हल्के से बाहर की तरफ. And elbow, your knees are softly. Okay. इंटरलॉक करेंगे फिंगर्स को at the back. Inhale. हल्का सा hip forward. Exhale. Bend forward and stretch your hands. Make your body parallel to the ground and stay. 5 counts के लिए यही hold करेंगे. Okay. Keeping your knees soft bend. Hip relax. Try to make your lower upper body straight and keep bending. And 3. As you exhale, try to bend more forward. 4. And 5. Now release your hands and hold your toes. Okay. सांस लेंगे, सांस छोड़ेंगे. Try to bend more forward and stay. 2. You can slightly open your legs. हल्के से legs open. 3. Keep pushing your abdomen towards your thighs, chin up, back straight. Now go down slowly. 4. And 5. Bring your hands center, bring your legs center and slowly come up. Relax. Okay. Stretch feel हुआ? Did you feel stretch? Yes? Okay. Next posture. Drop your knee down. Go with the mounting. Uttan Prishtasana lizard pose. Raise your hip up. Lift your right leg up. Extend and exhale. Drop it outside to your right hand. Okay. Back toe out या in जैसे भी आपको comfortable लगता है. And drop your elbows down. Okay. आपको नी में कोई भी पेन फील होता है, you can fold the mat and place it under your knee, or you can place towel or hanky. Okay. Drop your elbows down and stay. जिससे दोनों elbows comfortable नहीं है, you can drop one elbow and one hand down. After 5 counts, you can change your side. Okay, we'll hold for the 10 counts. 2. 3. 4. If you are comfortable, you can raise your back knee up. Left जो आपका घुटना है आप उसको उठा सकते हो to make the posture a little more intense. Try to keep your elbow and shoulder one line. Okay, हाथों को हल्का सा forward कर सकते हो. Make your back straight. Yes. 4. Keep breathing. Back leg straight and 5. 6. Breathe in and out. 7. 8. 9. Nice. And 10. Okay. On your hands, take your leg back to the Parvatasana. Relax your legs. Lift your left leg up and drop it outside to your left hand. Yes. Okay. Drop your elbows down. हल्का सा हाथों को आगे लेकर आ सकते हो. Drop your elbows, interlock your fingers and stay. Try to make your legs straight. Okay, इस पैर को हल्का सा पीछे. Yes. Okay. Interlock your fingers and stay. 1. Keep breathing. 2. keeping your both the elbows down. Make a fist or interlock fingers, जो भी आपको comfortable लगता है. 4, 5. If you are comfortable, lift your back, knee up, right knee up. Yes, nice. Try to make your posture a little more intense. And 7, chin up, keeping your facial muscles relaxed. Keep maintaining a gentle smile. And 8, 9, and 10. Release. Okay, go back slowly to the mountain. Relax your legs, heels up and down. Keep walking your legs. Knee to the chest. Okay, drop your knee down just for 5 seconds. Quickly relax into the child pose. Shashank Asana, and relax. Okay, slowly come up and relax. Now lie down on your stomach, पेट के बल लेट जाएंगे. We'll go with the Shalabh Asana, strengthening your lower back, your legs. Place your hands under your thighs. Okay. Chin on the floor. किसी को back pain ज़्यादा है, severe back pain, keep your legs away. Otherwise together, हल्का सा gap रख सकते हो आप. Just be comfortable. Okay, now lift your right leg up and stay. Keep lifting up. 2, 3, 6 counts के लिए lift करेंगे. 4, keep breathing. 5, and 6. Release. Okay, relax. Now lift your left leg up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, keep lifting up. 5, last count. Make your legs straight and release. Okay, now just for 6 counts, we'll lift the both legs up. Lift up, make your knees straight, chin on the floor, and lift up. And 2, yes, keep breathing, keep lifting. 3, 4, make your legs straight. Keep strengthening your knee also. Okay, knee को straight रखेंगे. It will help to strengthen your knee. 5, the last count, keeping your eyes open. And 6, release. Release your hands. We'll relax into the Makra Asana. Palm on palm, head facing one side. And relax. Okay. Slowly come up. Sit into Vajrasana or any comfortable posture. Okay. Then open your right leg to the side. Left leg fold. Press it to the right inner thigh. Side में खोलेंगे. Okay. Hip center. Hip forward. Okay. Yes. इस तरह. Now inhale. Stretch your hands. अब right leg open है. So take your right hand and hold your right toe. कोशिश करेंगे try to hold it from the outside. If not comfortable, hold your toe or your shin. जो भी आपको comfortable लगता है. Okay. Now first focus is the alignment. Chest open, shoulder up. If comfortable, grab your inner arch of your foot. उसके बाद दूसरा हाथ जाएगा ऊपर से over your head and stay. Okay. Make your hand straight. If possible, touch your toe. Keep opening your chest. Otherwise, stay here. Whichever is comfortable and stay. Stay. Hold. हाथ को हिप पर भी रख सकते हो. Okay. Stay. 2. Keep breathing. Keep opening your chest as you inhale. 3. 4. Breathe in and out. 5. 6. Keep stretching your hand. 7. सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए stretch more. 8. 9. The last count. Breathe in. Nice. And release. Go back and relax. Okay. Same with the other side. Fold. सांस लेते रहेंगे. Okay. जितना deep breath लेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा body open up होगी. Yes. Inhale. Stretch your hands up. First up. Lengthen up your spine. Open your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Go. Over your head and stay. Okay. Breathe in and out. 1. Yes. 2. Keep your legs straight. 3. 4. Breathe in. 5. Feel the nice side stretch. 6. 7. Open your chest and shoulder. 8. 9. And 10. Release. Slowly come back. Okay. Did you feel stretch? Legs में inner thighs. All good? Okay. We'll go with the Baddha Konasana butterfly pose. For 5 to 6 count, just flap your legs. Interlock fingers, grab your toes. Keep flapping in 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep smiling. 5 and 6. Okay, सांस भरेंगे. Breathe in, back straight. Exhale, lower back से जाएंगे and down. Slowly, slowly. Keep going. Chin up. Always keep your chin up. Bending from the lower back. Abdomen, पेट पहले जाएगा. Then your chest and chin. Okay. जैसे जैसे आपको comfortable लगता है, you can walk your hands also. Okay. Walk your hands. यहाँ से हम 5 dynamic movements करेंगे. Inhale. सांस भरेंगे. हल्का सा chin up. सांस छोड़ेंगे. Elbow down. Nice. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. सिर्फ try करना है elbow touch करने का. अगर touch नहीं हो रही है, it's fine. Chin up. Okay. Inhale. You should feel stretch. Exhale. Last. Inhale. Breathe in. Exhale and stay. stay here. 1, keep breathing. 2, keep pressing your thighs down, your legs slowly going towards the floor. Keep pushing. 3, सांस लेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए bend more forward. And 4, just smile on your face, keep your facial muscles relaxed. 8, 9 and 10. Walk your hands back. All good? Okay, hug your knees and relax. Release. Okay. Turn to the other side. हल्का सा एक साइड पे टर्न होकर लेट जाएंगे. Lie down on your back. Simply Dandasana करेंगे. Lift your both legs up to the 90 degree. Dandasana. Keep your lower back, upper back down on the floor. Legs up straight. And stay. 1, 2. Keep pointing your toes towards you, knees straight. And 3, smile. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slowly dropping your legs down, but keep your legs straight. Don't bend it from your knees and relax. Okay, nice. Now fold your legs, Pavan Muktasana, hug your knee and relax. You can roll your back side to side, give a nice massage. And relax, hug your knees tightly. This is the best posture to relax your back. Lower upper back in one line. And release. Okay, we'll go with the Setu Bandh Asana. Slowly, जैसे जैसे सांस भरते रहेंगे, lift your body up and stay. Slowly, keep your knee relaxed. Knee पे, neck पे, cervical पे कोई pressure नहीं आना चाहिए. Chin should be relaxed. Body weight on your shoulder. 2, 3, 4. Your heels should be on the floor. एड़ी नहीं उठाएंगे. 6, 7. Last 2 counts. 9 and 10. Release. Relax. Okay. Now slowly adjust your body to the Shavasana. Slowly adjust करेंगे body को. Make your legs away. Make your hands away. Fingers upward. आपकी हथेली, your palm facing upward. Fingers naturally curled in. You can remove any distraction. Keep your phone away. Your specs, watch, band, just remove. Breathe in and out. Keep your mind and body awake. Keep relaxing slowly. जैसे जैसे सांस छोड़ते जाएंगे with every exhalation, just relax, relax, relax completely. We'll start relaxing from the toes. Relax your toes. Relax your ankle, calf muscles, your knee, thighs, hamstring. Relax. Exhale and relax completely. Till your hip. With the exhalation, just relax your body, completely relax. Slowly moving your awareness towards your abdomen, lower back, your chest, upper back, relax your shoulder, elbows, your fingertips. Exhale, relax completely. Relax your neck, your chin, your tip of the nose, eyes, space between your eyebrows, forehead, top of the head. Just relax, completely relax. Now your full body is relaxed. Keep your body and mind awake. Be aware of your surroundings. Slowly move your toes. Move your ankles. Bring your legs close together. Bring your hands. Move your fingertips. Interlock your fingers. Give a nice stretch to your body as you inhale. Deep breath. Stretch your toes out, your fingers out, and exhale. Relax completely. Now turn to any one side. Make a pillow of your hand, knee bend. slowly sit up. धीरे से किसी भी comfortable posture में बैठ जाएंगे. Keep your back straight, hip relax. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Maintain a gentle smile. Make sure your whole body is relaxed. Feel the happiness, the positivity. Let's end the practice with 3 Om chants and 3 times Shanti. Join your hands or hands on your knee. Together, breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Feel the vibration. धीरे धीरे हाथों को रब करेंगे and feel the heat between your hands. Cup on your eyes. Massage your face. Keep massaging your body slowly, slowly. धीरे से आंखों को खोलेंगे. Look at your palm. Give a gentle smile and relax. Okay. Thank you. All good? Okay.